Hello everybody, welcome back. Another item for sale today. This is buy, sell, trade, barter Friday. I've got this 1979 Detroit diesel Chevy flatbed truck. The guy was a Mack enthusiast, so he put Mack all over it, but it's a Chevrolet. It belonged to a pipe company. That's why it has this extremely long bed on it. Duals in the back, 2-speed rear, 453 diesel, and we got a crane on there. I've not tried the crane yet. It's a good running unit, quite dirty, but a very good running truck. And there's the crane. This is what they made into a crane control box. And it just came in. This is where the oxygen and acetylene tanks went from the guy I got it from. And some toolboxes along the side. I don't know if you could see in there, but a nice long flatbed. Got some stacks on it. Fuel tank is in good shape. Cab is starting to get a few holes in it. Whole front end is fiberglass, so that's in good shape. I'm not exactly sure what the GVW of this is. I think he had it registered somewhere around 28 or 30,000 GVW. I'm not exactly sure. Get you in there so I can give you a peek of the diesel. And that's your standard 453 diesel. Good running rig. I just put 2 batteries from another machine in here. We'll see if we can get it fired up. New master cylinder. Brake lines are complete. It runs and drives okay. And like I say, the whole front end is fiberglass, so that's in real good shape. You can see I just stuck a couple batteries in there. And the inside's a little bit of a disaster. There's only a driver's seat. Windshield's cracked. A few more boxes on this side. Some steps to get up there. And let me see if I can get you under there and show you the 2-speed rear. There is the monster Eaton 2-speed rear end, and that is shifting perfectly, and big 10/120 tires on it, and overall a very nice rig. And I'm gonna hop in and see if it's gonna fire up. Came here about a week ago, so I'm sure it should be alright with these fresh batteries in it. Okay guys, let's see if we can get this fired up. Alright guys, that's what I got for you today. It's a very good running 453 turbo. I'm not really interested in breaking up the truck and selling just the engine. A few guys wanted to buy it already. I know the best part of the truck is the engine and the crane. It's like 100 degrees out today with 100% humidity, so I did not get the crane running. PTO is working, spinning the dry shaft and the pump and everything. I think it's low on fluid, so I'm going to fool around with that when it's a little bit cooler. I would like to sell the truck as a package. Probably if it lays around too long, I'll find a way to put this engine in an old Willie's Jeep or something. You know, you got anybody looking for a 453, this is the type of engine you could just pull out and put in something. You don't have to go through a long rebuild or anything. It runs good. Truck runs and drives. I would not recommend driving it cross country or anything, but it does run and drive. Everything is complete. It's dirty and grimy, but the frame is real good. Transmission shifts good. 2-speed rear shifts real well. So this is what I have for you today. I did pick up a bunch more sheet metal parts and some other things like that. So as always, if anybody needs anything, anybody's interested in anything, just send me a comment and I'll get back to you. And as always, thanks for watching. Catch you on the next video.